Hello. I've got an unboxing for you today of the Wild Frontier Professional Survival Kit with wire saw and survival blanket. This right now is $25.99 on Amazon, Prime shipping, of course. It comes in a nice little plastic box here. It just arrived. I don't really know what's in here except for, the description I saw on Amazon. Let's open it up here. We have clips, locks on 3 sides of the box, 1 on each side, and then 2 on what I would call the front. But let's see here. We have an emergency blanket, which I'm sure you've seen these before. It's 130 by 210 centimeters, as it says. Reflects 90% of body heat, windproof, waterproof. Uses a blanket shelter signal for reflecting light and radar. Radar? But okay. Whatever. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen these. They are handy, very, very handy. Make sure I have one in each of my cars. But you never know. I mean, I've never actually needed one, but it's nice to have just in case. We have a magnesium bar, fire starter for you. We have a scraper as well, but this is also a multi-tool, and it has a ruler on it here. The bar is coated in black, of course. You have to just scrape it off to reveal the magnesium underneath it and, create a spark. I've seen these before. I have one exactly like this, and it creates a really good spark. Flashlight here, tiny little flashlight. It uses one AA battery. Fairly standard stuff, you see. Clicks. I believe it has different modes as well. Pretty sure it does. We have a whistle. A nice aluminum whistle, actually. Nice quality. We have a self-defense type of pen. It's glass breaking as well. The point on here opens up like so, and it writes, of course. It's a pen. Let's put this back in here. We have a little knife, of course. Hey, survival kit, you have to have a knife, right? Not bad. Yeah, a slight edge on it. I mean, I would put another edge on it. Locks, or unlocks, I should say, from the back, which is like a carabiner. Clip, of course, kind of sort of like a carabiner. But it has a pocket clip as well, or bag clip. We have a saw, which is actually nice to have. You never know, just in case, right? You're stuck in the woods. Hey, you gotta cut some wood, right? But, why not? It seems pretty good. It's actually like a twisted stranded instead of a single like I've seen before, and it feels fairly sturdy. All right. We have a mini light as well, which unlock it. Maybe. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna have to. There might be something else going on with this, that it's not working. Alright, I don't know. Here's a little handy multi-tool credit card deal and its own little protective cover. And we have a description here of what each does. It has, let's see, a can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cab opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction ancillary indicator, 2-position wrench, and a lanyard hole, keyring hole. So a little handy little guy. And of course, what kind of survival kit would not be complete without a compass? Get lost in the woods, right? I believe it pops open. Yeah, there you go. It's a very nice looking compass, actually. I mean, it's plastic and brass. Seems like it, goes north there. But that's about it. Wild Frontier. Seems fairly nice little kit. Except for the little tiny light, which I don't know. I had to figure that one out, but not a big deal. I mean, you got this big flashlight in here, so this one here is, kind of a bonus, I guess, right? Anyway, Wild Frontier Professional Survival Kit with wire saw and survival blanket. $25.99 on Amazon, Prime shipped. Not a bad little kit. Nice little padded box for you. Put all your stuff in. Throw it in your glove compartment, or just wherever. Throw it under your back seat or under your seat. So it's there, just when you need it. Thanks a lot.